this YouTube video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step practical example to back up your Magento database using command line tool.
So in this video we will discuss about and how to export the database with the command line. And if you export the database with command line, this will save the lot of your time and without the loss of any data. So let's start. And the first we will check what's the database credentials. Environment.php. So our database is upgrade to 46p4, username root, password is phpMyAdmin. So we will use the data. First we will create a directory to store the database. Database backup. cd command to enter into the directory ls-l. So first is there is no any file in there, so we will use mysql dump command is used to export the database file from your database. -u root is our username, -p for password, and database name upgrade 246p4, and exported into the database file name database backup.sql, then press enter. So now here we will enter the same password that used for the username root. You can also find the password from app etc environment.php file. The password is phpMyAdmin, then press enter. Wait, the command is exporting your database file. Now, wow, the file is successfully exported. Now ls-l, our database has been successfully exported into the database backup.sql file. This way you can export the database file without loss of any data.